Hello, my name's Jane Pierce. My business is Tarot Jane, and I'm here to talk to you about astrology. So I hope that Saturday, the 5th, had the solar eclipse was good to you. It was wonderful to have all of that Capricorn energy. At the time, we had the sun and moon together in Capricorn, giving us a kind of a super new moon, because eclipse energies, when it's solar, is a new moon with lots of extra power. So that extra power lingers for a couple of reasons. One of them is the time between the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse, because eclipses always come in pairs, is a powerful time. You get this extra chance to work with it. And that's where we are right now. We're right between the January 5th solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse later in the month on the 21st. So we still have that Capricorn energy running fantastically through our lives. While we don't have the moon in Capricorn, we still have the sun and Pluto, which are going conjunct over the weekend. And then we have Mercury and Saturn, which are also going to have a conjunction. So the energy of Capricorn is really moving strong. Sun and Pluto is going to mean you'll be urging yourself to dig in, look deeper, transform things. That's what Pluto does. The sun adds energy. So if you are looking to dig into research or any of those other kind of works, you're going to have a lot of extra push for it right now. In addition, the sun is adding energy in a cardinal earth sign. So again, initiative on hard work, on being practical, on building a future. Be careful, because Capricorn likes to move methodically. Although it can take a sudden shift once in a while, for the most part, all of our earth signs prefer fairly stable, steady motion. And that emphasis on the Capricorn steady can be difficult when Pluto wants to dig deeper and deeper and deeper. That intensity of Pluto doesn't work as well for the Capricorn sign, and you may find yourself with the sun and Pluto emptying the urge to dig in and find out why and know more and be intense. You might find it a little too much. So take this as a warning. As much as I love the intensity, I'm also having to be like, slow and steady is going to win the race, instead of digging in and finding the real deep, earthy things. A little bit of that. And here comes moderation, not the funnest thing. We have something else telling us that same message too. Jupiter and Neptune are squaring each other, and that brings a friction between Jupiter's Sagittarius energy. Jupiter is big, Sagittarius is quick changes, and so Jupiter's been great while it's in Sagittarius, helping us start projects and explore things and learn more. However, Neptune in Pisces is also in its element. Neptune is our belief systems and our visions, and can also rule movies and some of those visions that we enjoy on a more shallow level, or not so shallow level if you're one of those people who feels that a movie has changed your life. That's all in Pisces, and Pisces is where it belongs. Pisces is spiritual, it's the martyr, it's the sign that rules Lent, so it's the sense of willing to sacrifice for greater causes. That energy of Neptune and Pisces means that we can be tempted to sacrifice a little too much because we believe. When Jupiter's in Sagittarius, we get a little too quick sometimes to believe. So this friction between Jupiter and Sagittarius, where it belongs in is fantastic, and Neptune and Pisces, where it belongs in is fantastic, is not mixing well. When that square happens, we can find that we move too fast. You might discover that the things you believed in, you believed more than you tested, and Capricorn does not like that. So this Capricorn energy is saying, whoa, 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 don't move that fast to Jupiter. And it's telling Neptune, don't believe so much. It's not wrong to believe, but don't believe quite so easily. Be careful about being gullible. So take a warning from this. We're going to deal with it a couple times. It'll happen June 16th, and then it happens again in September. And because Jupiter and Neptune are big planets that take a long time to move, we're going to be feeling this energy for quite a while. So it'll go away, and then it'll come back, and it'll go away and come back again. So we got at least 3 times this year. Be prepared to have those places where you move too fast be checked. Those places you believe too quickly or easily be adjusted. That doesn't mean your belief is wrong, but you might not have gotten the details right in the process. So help me out, because I am excited about this process too. And let me know how you feel. How are these energies working for you? If you want to know more about me and what I'm doing, you can sign up for my newsletter. It comes out once a month, and I'll tell you a little bit more. Or you can check out my website where I've got a blog that I share articles. The one that I'm having people still asking about is the house blessing. So let me tell you really quick about that. Traditionally on Epiphany, there's a blessing you do on a home, and that blessing can still be done. And it's a simple one where you write a 20 cross, CMB, a cross, and 19, and say to yourself, may this house be blessed with the gifts of peace or love or protection or all the gifts that you're looking for, just like the wise men brought gifts in this time of year. So I hope you're enjoying yourself and having a great time, and I really look forward to seeing you. Thank you, Danny, and some of the other people for joining me today. Jason, it's great to see you. I am excited to have your support, and I'm looking forward to talking to all of you soon. Have a great day.